Hi and welcome to another video. Today we are flying Air New Zealand's new 787-9 economy stretch from here in Auckland to Hong Kong. So let's go check in. I know I've disappeared for a year, but I'm back. So it seems like I have to check in at the manual counters for my flight. Don't know why, but the self check-ins were not crowded at all, and it didn't seem broken. Alright, that took 15 minutes, now let's go up for immigration. The airport today seems very empty. There was literally no one in the queue. This literally took 5 minutes. Okay, seems like I got the furthest gate again. This airport really seems abnormally empty today. Okay, so there's where everyone is, at the gate. In economy, the flight is literally 97% full. Boarding started 10 minutes behind schedule at 9:40. Our plane today is a 2015 built 787-9, registered Zulu Kilo November Zulu Hotel. It was Air New Zealand's first Dreamliner to be fitted with their new cabin, which is configured with 26 business class seats, 33 premium economy seats, and 213 economy seats. So this is my seat for today, 34 Delta, which is the first row of economy. So on the seat, there is an adjustable leather headrest, a pillow with a single-use cover, these business class headphones which come with economy stretch, and a blanket. Here's the seat back pocket with a safety card, vomit bag, and no magazine. The IFE screen is down here. Here is the screen, which is, well, a modern screen. We'll look at the in-flight entertainment later, but look, you can connect your Bluetooth headphones. Here we have a USB-C and USB-A port, which is unlike the old plane where they had an actual power outlet. Under the IFE screen, there's another USB-A port. And here's the Air New Zealand safety video. Wow. We pushed back 5 minutes after scheduled departure at 10:15 a.m. Well, I couldn't get a window seat, so well, enjoy these top quality footage. Literally like 5 minutes after takeoff, the seatbelt signs turned off. Here's the Air New Zealand in-flight entertainment system. It is a, well, modern software with a modern screen. There's a good selection of games. There is in-flight Wi-Fi for free for all passengers in all classes. And you can order drinks and snacks for free. Water and snacks are also available at their innovative Sky Pantry. So innovative, they had to trademark it. Here's the 3D interactive in-flight map, which is of the modern software. Here's the movie selection, which is quite good. Here's the tray table, which is in the armrest. It has a phone holder. Well, I think that's what it is. But the tray table is quite small. 5 minutes later, the crew came to serve us water. After taking 10 minutes to find the headphones port, I can confirm that the headphones have a good sound quality. So here is the in-flight Wi-Fi. And according to speed test, it is, well, as fast as you'd expect. The options for the meals today was meatballs or butter chicken. The meal came with some fruits, a bread, cheese, crackers, vanilla ice cream, and a packet of crispy noodles. Because I was in the first row, I was the first to be served. I got the butter chicken and well, it looks pretty good. And it was pretty good. But come on, this is just microwave butter chicken. You can't even mess it up. My biggest complaint is that the portion size is tiny. The crew collected my meal around 50 minutes later, so that was a pretty quick meal service compared to the 3 hours on my Hainan Airlines flight. Here is the loo of the Air New Zealand ZK-NZH. It's clean, it smells good, so no complaints. Around halfway through the flight, the crew gave us some cold chicken sandwiches, which you cannot see. But it was pretty good considering that I don't like cold sandwiches. For some reason on this flight, you cannot order anything on the IV screen. But don't worry, you can always get it from their patented, innovative, groundbreaking Sky Pantry, which takes up this place of 3 seats, even though there is space in the galley. As we approached the Philippines, the crew turned back on the lights. Guess they expected everyone to sleep, but I could not sleep a single minute. The options for dinner was chicken stir-fried noodles or braised beef hot pot with vegetables, which was literally just glorified beef with potatoes. The meal came with the salad, a dessert, and a garlic bread. I got a chicken stir-fried noodle, which looks good. That tasted great, but I was literally starving. The only thing I'm eating all day was that tiny portion of butter chicken. After the meal, the crew came with some coffee and tea. As always, Air New Zealand gives you candy.
The light very well at the moment, just swimming around a little bit. There's a bit of scatter cloud around the city, and the temperature sitting at 27 degrees.
Very foggy day today, eh?
Has been turned off. Also be careful when opening the overhead lockers as items could fall out. It's now safe for transmitting functions on your electronic devices to be turned on, and if you're connecting with another flight.
Got to our gate around 8 minutes before its scheduled arrival. Overall, it was a great flight. My only real complaint is the size of the meal, which is too small. I paid an extra 130 New Zealand dollars for this seat. That was on top of the 700 New Zealand dollars I paid for this entire ticket to my final destination in Nanjing. The legroom was probably better than premium economy, but I can tolerate long-haul economy flying more than most people, so I barely noticed that difference. I know, sounds ridiculous despite the huge legroom difference. Anyways, I have a 3-hour layover here, so that's it for today and see you next time. Bye!